Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Eufy Cam Floodlight is probably one of the most versatile and powerful home security solutions available today, offering a brilliant combination of high-definition video recording, intelligent motion detection, and powerful illumination to keep your property safe and secure around the clock, ensuring you never miss a moment and always have peace of mind, even when you're away. Number 5. Eufy Security Indoor Cam E220. Our advanced AI intelligently detects pets and people. It ensures that only important events are recorded, saving you time and storage space. Experience crystal clear visuals with up to 2K resolution. You can see every detail happening inside your home, ensuring nothing is missed. Seamlessly connect with Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, or Amazon Alexa. Enjoy complete control and integrate it into your smart home ecosystem. This camera automatically tracks motion once detected, providing a full 360 degrees view of your room. It ensures you can clearly see every corner. Utilize the built-in two-way audio to speak in real time with anyone near the camera. Stay connected and communicate effortlessly. What we like. This camera offers incredible 360 degrees coverage with its pan and tilt feature, automatically tracking motion. If you need to keep an eye on pets or children moving around your home, this is the perfect choice. Its AI detection ensures you only get relevant alerts, making it ideal for busy households. What people say. The motion detection is excellent, capturing every movement. The floodlight is very bright and covers a wide area. The video quality is clear, even at night. Number 4. Eufy Security eufyCam 2C2 Cam Kit. Experience smooth operation with Apple Smart Home Systems. It's perfect for those seeking a security camera with no subscription fees. This outdoor camera stands strong in any weather thanks to its IP67 weatherproof rating. It promises year-round reliability for your home security needs. Operate this camera without the worry of additional expenses. No monthly fees are required to enjoy its full suite of features. Enjoy extended, hassle-free security monitoring with an impressive 180-day battery life on a single charge. It's ideal for wireless outdoor cameras that require minimal maintenance. Intelligent human detection accurately identifies human presence using body shape and face pattern recognition. This elevates security measures for a robust home security system. Capture every detail with crisp 1080p HD resolution. See exactly what's happening around your home, day or night. See clearly even in the dark with advanced night vision. Receive motion-only alerts to stay informed without unnecessary notifications. What we like. Enjoy long-lasting security with a battery that lasts up to 180 days on a single charge. This wireless outdoor camera is perfect for those who want a hassle-free setup and zero ongoing costs. If you're looking for a reliable, low-maintenance system for your home's exterior, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The Eufy Cam Floodlight has a very bright light that can be adjusted. The motion detection on the Eufy Cam Floodlight is excellent and picks up everything. The Eufy Cam Floodlight has a great picture quality, even at night. Number 3. Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight Camera. Experience superior outdoor security with our powerful camera. It captures incredibly detailed 2K footage with HDR, ensuring crystal clear video day and night. Enjoy true wire-free convenience. Install this camera anywhere outdoors with ease, without the hassle of cables, for a more flexible security system. Stay informed with smart motion sensor notifications. You can also communicate directly through the camera with clear two-way audio, enhancing your home security. This camera is designed to withstand the elements, from heat and cold to rain and sun. Its bright LED floodlight ensures reliable surveillance in any condition. Unlock premium features with our Arlo Secure plan. Benefit from 30-day cloud storage, intelligent detection for people, packages, and vehicles, and more. Gain peace of mind with 24/7 emergency response services. This advanced feature is available with our paid subscription, providing an extra layer of security. What we like. Experience powerful 2K video with an integrated LED floodlight for enhanced night vision and deterrence. This camera is ideal for anyone who wants to illuminate and secure their outdoor spaces without complex wiring. If you're looking for a bright, clear, and easy-to-install solution for your porch or driveway, this is it. What people say. The Eufy Cam Floodlight has a bright, adjustable floodlight that effectively illuminates the area. Installation was straightforward, and the camera provides clear, high-definition video footage. The motion detection is sensitive and accurate, capturing activity reliably. Number 2. Eufy Security SoloCam S230. Introducing the Eufy Security SoloCam S230. With its solar-powered design, a little sunlight each day is all it needs to stay charged, ensuring continuous power without battery changes. When motion is detected, its ultra-bright spotlight activates, illuminating any intruders. Plus, enjoy clear color night vision up to 8 meters, revealing details even in the dark. Capture every moment around your home in stunning ultra-clear 2K resolution. You won't miss a single detail with this advanced camera. This is a one-time purchase with no hidden costs or monthly subscriptions. All data is processed on-device, offering complete security and transparency for your peace of mind. Its built-in AI intelligently detects people, ensuring it only records when a person is present and not just an animal. Get relevant recordings every time. What we like. Never worry about charging again with continuous solar power, supplemented by a built-in battery. This camera offers crystal clear 2K resolution and on-device AI for relevant recordings, all without any subscription fees. If you desire a truly set-and-forget outdoor security solution with excellent image quality, this is the one. What people say. The motion detection is excellent, capturing even small movements accurately. The floodlight is very bright and effectively illuminates the entire yard. Installation was straightforward, and the app is user-friendly for setup and management. Number 1. Eufy Security EufyCam 2C Pro Wireless Camera. Experience the brilliance of 2K resolution. It's meticulously designed to capture every detail, even in dimly lit conditions. With a remarkable battery life of 180 days, it ensures your home's security remains uninterrupted. Stay protected for longer without frequent charging. Equipped with superior night vision technology, it delivers crystal clear images, even in pitch-black darkness. See everything clearly, day or night. Featuring cutting-edge human detection technology, it accurately identifies movements. Receive prompt and reliable alerts when it matters most. With an IP67 rating, it guarantees steadfast home security in any weather condition. Connects swiftly to Wi-Fi and eliminates the need for a monthly fee. Enjoy seamless integration with your existing smart home setup. It offers HomeKit compatibility for enhanced convenience and control. What we like. Get exceptional 2K clarity and an impressive 180-day battery life in a rugged, weatherproof design. This camera is perfect for those who need robust outdoor security that can withstand the elements and requires minimal upkeep. If you value long-lasting performance and clear visuals without monthly fees, this add-on camera is a great choice. What people say. The motion detection is very sensitive and picks up everything. The floodlight is very bright and illuminates the entire yard. The camera quality is excellent, with clear video even at night. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.